Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be simplifying this expression, and the expression is sin square 60 degrees minus sin square 30 degrees, and we are going to give what is step-by-step solution to make you understand this particular equation. Now the first thing we need to do is you will record the values of sin 60 degrees and sin 30 degrees from the trigonometric values. Now using your trigonometric table, we are going to derive the values for 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Now using the triangular law, this right angle triangle was derived from a rectangle. Right now, looking at this, it means for our 60 degrees the opposite is √3, the adjacent is 1, while the hypotenuse is 2. While for 30 degrees the opposite is 1, the adjacent is √3, while the hypotenuse is 2. Now calculating for sin 60 degrees, which is here, because we have sin square 60, so it means we have to look for sin 60 degrees first. So calculating for sin 60 degrees, it means we are going to have opposite all over hypotenuse, right, which is √3 all over 2. So for sin 60 we have √3 all over 2, while for sin 30 we have our opposite all over hypotenuse, which is 1 all over 2. Then the second step, we have to substitute the values into the expression, and the expression was sin square 60 degrees minus sin square 30 degrees. Now we have gotten sin 60 to be √3 all over 2. Then because of this square, it means we have to square this. Then minus sin 30 is 1 all over 2. Because of this square, then it means we square this. So it means this expression is same as √3 all over 2 square minus 1 all over 2 square. Then the third step is to simplify each of this expression or each of these terms. Then from here, where we have √3 all over √3 over 2 square, this square we remove this square root, so we have 3, then 2 square will give me 4. While for this other expression, I have 1 square to give me 1, then I have 2 square to give me 4. This fourth step is to perform subtraction, because we have sin square 60 degree minus sin square 30 degree. Now to perform the subtraction, we have 3 all over 4, which is representing sin square 60 degrees, then minus 1 all over 4, which is representing sin square 30 degrees, which will give me, now both the denominators are the same, then it means I simply do 3 minus 1 all over 4, which will give me 3 minus 1 is 2 all over 4. Then from here I simplify this fraction. Looking at this, 2 is a common term, then I have 2 all over 4, then 2 divided by 2 will give me 1, and 4 divided by 2 will give me 2. Then it means the simplified form of this expression, sin square 60 degree minus sin square 30 degree, is 1 all over 2. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to help share this video so that others can watch it and benefit from it also. Bye and have a nice day.